Hello, beautiful somebody, fine somebody, fine girls and fine boys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this exciting ponytail hairstyle that my little client chose for herself. It's time for the Christmas parties in school, the end of year parties, and she chose her hairstyle herself. She was like, you design here and then you leave my hair here and then you braid one on the side and braid one on this side, then you put gel here. I don't want braid all over the hair, but I don't want gel all over the hair, and I want it to be long hair. So the only thing I tapered was the length of her ponytail. I had to like coil it. I made it look like it was so long, then I coiled it and cut it off when she wasn't looking. But she still loved it. It was okay, but I know she wanted it longer, but you know now. Anyway, to make this centerpiece design, I made a straight line from the front to the back, then from ear to ear. And oh guys, I have a video that just spills all the tea on ponytail. If you've always been struggling with making your ponytail braid, like making it meet in one place or like the position, I'm going to link that video at the end of this one. You can check it out. It's going to really help you. Just give you tips and tricks on when you're making braided ponytail, like to get it right. There are just easy steps you can take that will make everything fall in place and just be straightforward. So I braided from ear to ear. I made a line from ear to ear and from the front to back, and then I started my design. So after the triangle, I wanted the braid to skip over a normal braid before I add it to another design. So I was just going with the flow and doing whatever comes to mind, and well, it turned out fine. And then for the rubber band, I noticed that if I hold on to the rubber band and the hair I am adding at the same time, it's going to make the base loose. So I use the rubber band first, and once I have the section once I have it secured, I then proceed to add the hair extension from whichever side I am adding. If not, it's going to make it. See, I struggle with that hair, and I felt like it made it more painful. But it's easier to like put the rubber band on the hair you want to be flat first, and then you add this one. So when you add it, then you have to like adjust the tension and all those things. So I did that. It was fine. I'm trying to match the line with the line from the triangular sections, and once the hair started getting bigger, the rubber band started getting bigger, and I wasn't using too much hair gel and braiding gel like that, because just because. So I couldn't just smother it all over her hair to make it skinny, so I'll just twist like I added just a little, then rolled it around my hand to make it small, and then added it, and that was what I did. For the rest of the hair, okay, when it was time for me to make the stitch braids at the side, because I didn't have any nails on, and the comb method just, oh my god, I struggle with it. So I decided to try for the first time where I pre-section the hair before making the stitch braid. Like I pre-section those tiny stitches, the stitch lines, before I started braiding the hair, just to see how it's going to turn out. So I did that two ways. I made like from left to right, left to right, left to right, and then a straight line in between to see how it was. And I just tried several ways, you're going to see in the video. But my stitch braid, like I'm still struggling with like figuring out how to make stitch braids without nails and without a comb. Yes, I want to know how to make stitch braid without nails, without a comb, and I don't have that stitch finger thing. So I'm just doing what I can. So this was just me still not being sure of exactly what I was doing. I was just trying to go with the flow, and this madam later slept off on me. So at a point I couldn't be getting her feedback. I just wanted to make sure she loved her hair, because she's a very important client to me. So I made a stitch braid here, and I was using the comb method. I was like, god, I cannot do this. It's see, it takes too much time and it's just annoying. It takes time, but I did that, like switching the comb from left to right. If you have your nails, it's just so much easier. I don't know how dope as Anna, always like dope as Panna, she uses the comb so efficiently on her whole hair. She's also patient and so good, man. at the point I was feeling like my braiding gel was, some of the part of the hair was dry, because I know how to mice products, just because it's expensive over this place that I'm staying. It's expensive, so we don't use it carelessly, especially when you cannot charge so much for the hair. So in my salon, this hair is 1,000 naira, which is less than $2. It's actually guys, this hair is not up to $3. Yes, that is how the reality is here. And when I'm buying a product that, when I'm buying shine and jam that is imported, they don't make it cheaper over here because our money has less value. You still have to pay more for it, and then I need to use it to make these hairstyles that I cannot charge so much. So you can understand why I even didn't used to use braiding gel previously, not because I don't like it, but, and you can see the quantity behind my hand. Like when you see people braiding with braiding gel, I have where my wristwatch is, that's where the holder is, and you have like a big slob of gel that you can just slather all over the place. I am not charging enough to be able to use product as much I would be comfortable to, and with my location it's just unrealistic. It's not happening. So it's either I move to Lekki, Nigeria where I can charge so much, or just that. But I just try to make the best of with what I have, and just make the hair as neat as I can. So this is where I tried the stitch braid. This time around I sectioned in the middle first and started making like the patterns on the side, but it was still long process. I tried another way on the other side, it was still long process. See, for the sake of people that don't like too much talking, I'm going to stop here, so that it will just be as if I spoke through half of the video and I walked people through the process, and then I'll stop. Okay, then for the coily part, I think the part where I called her ponytail is straightforward. Yeah, it's straightforward. What do you think about it? I had someone tell me it's not, the ponytail is not appropriate for a child, but I was arguing with them. I feel like it's not too long, so, and it's for a party, it's like a one-time thing, so she can just rock it. And I know she can rock it because hey, my baby has big personality, like she knows what she wants, so I feel like she can definitely rock that hair. What do you think? Is it appropriate for an 8-year-old where you are, or it's like just a beautiful hairstyle? What do you think? Let me know. So please leave a thumbs up, and please do not skip the ads if you can afford to. By you not skipping the ads, it's like putting food on my table, so I bless you and I thank you for that. If you can afford to not skip the ads, please don't skip the ads so that I can make some money. And I send you light and love and blessings. You're going to see the different way I made the, it's just because this thing keeps mixing together that makes it annoying. Apart from that, like the technique, you should just fix your nails. Just fix your nails, I swear. For just fix nails. Did I just add to? Guys, let me let you watch. Let me let you watch. I'm going to play some nice music. Should I play a holiday inspired music or a regular music? If I play a holiday inspired music, what about people watching it maybe in February or March? Are they going to wonder why is she playing a Christmas music there? So, but I really want to play Christmas music because it's for Christmas holiday. But apart from that, let me just play nice music for you, and I will see you at the end of the video.